Okay class, we are going to do a pop quiz. EW, who made that disgusting noise?
It was not me.
Don't lie to me, Keenan. Go to the headmaster's office.
No 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 no.
Keon, that burp was loud enough, and go home. You are suspended forever.
Keon, how dare you burp in class? That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded forever. Go to your room now.
Wah 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 wah.